In 2023, the Rivian R1S, an expansive electric sports utility vehicle, was granted the distinguished Top Safety Pick Plus Accolade by the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety. This prestigious award comes after modifications were made to enhance the SUV's performance in the moderate overlap front crash examination. Earlier in the year, Rivian's flagship pickup, the R1T Crew Cab, also garnered the esteemed 2023 Top Safety Pick Plus recognition. The 2023 standards have been raised for both the entry-level Top Safety Pick and the more advanced Top Safety Pick Plus awards. Now, for either of these distinctions, all trims must feature acceptable or good headlights. Previously, this was only a requirement for the higher tier award. Additionally, the original side assessment has been replaced with an updated side test that involves a heavier barrier striking the vehicle at a faster speed. To be eligible for the Top Safety Pick, vehicles must achieve an acceptable or good rating, while a good rating is mandatory for the Plus rating. The Top Safety Pick Plus criteria have been expanded to incorporate a new nighttime vehicle-to-pedestrian front crash prevention assessment. For this superior award, advanced or exceptional performance is obligatory in both the nighttime and daytime pedestrian tests. Meanwhile, the Top Safety Pick only demands an advanced or exceptional daytime rating. To secure either of these accolades, a vehicle must continue to obtain good ratings in the driver's side small overlap front, passenger side small overlap front, and original moderate overlap front examinations. However, the roof strength, head restraint, and vehicle-to-vehicle front crash prevention evaluations are no longer part of the award prerequisites. R1S models manufactured post-January 2023 fulfill all the requirements for the elite Top Safety Pick Plus award. These vehicles are outfitted with a standard front crash system that boasts a superior rating in the daytime vehicle-to-pedestrian evaluation and an advanced rating in the nighttime test. Furthermore, all trims come with good-rated LED projector headlights. However, models produced prior to this date are ineligible for an award due to an acceptable rating in the original moderate overlap front test. In these earlier vehicles, the driver's side floor pan buckled during the examination, resulting in elevated forces on the driver dummy's right lower leg and signifying a probable injury.